Central BCC to Adam Boy, Truck 1 on TAC 2.
U1, go ahead.
U1, SWAT is needed for arrest warrant service, armed homicide suspect. Detective 247 Adam requests you respond to 1572 Norman Street, Food Wall Restaurant. Primary suspect is wanted in multiple homicides and has organized crime connections. A secondary subject suspected of felony modification of firearms is also likely to be armed. Use caution.
U1, roger. Okay, guys, listen up. OCID has spent a lot of time setting this one up, and they've asked for our help serving the arrest warrant. For the last 2 weeks, the Food Wall restaurant has been under close surveillance. We believe the owner, one Leanne Niu, an experienced gunsmith, deals in the illegal modification of firearms, in this case, fabricating custom high-volume magazines. Niu maintains a residence above the restaurant and does his business there. He's been questioned about illegal arms before, but walked. 10 minutes ago, Detective Shiri cited Alex Jimenez entering the restaurant. Look at your files. Alex Jimenez, also known as The Knife, is a hitman with Colombian connections. He's a key suspect in multiple homicides over the last year and a half. Jimenez should be considered armed and dangerous. Shiri believes that Jimenez is presently inside the business, having modifications made to a MAC-10 submachine gun used in a recent homicide. We want the evidence intact, so we can't give Jimenez and you any warning. The restaurant's patrons and employees will still be in the building when you go in. As always, target ID. Your first priority is, of course, to avoid any civilian injuries. But after that, secure the gun in Jimenez's possession. OCID is looking forward to having a long talk with both Jimenez and you, and that gun is just the thing to make them chatty. So take a careful look at the floor plans, plan your entry, and gear up.
Detective 247 Adam, this is Central BCC. Adam Boy and Truck 1 responding to 1572 Norman Street for high-risk warrant service.
Element, behind me.
In position.
Mirror under the door.
Copy. On it.
Getting the tools up front. There's no one in sight. It's clean, boss.
Get ready on the door. Check it.
Got it.
It's unlocked.
Make entry.
We're good to go.
Moving. Go. Moving on. It's clear.
It's
In
clear.
position. Clear. Clear.
Fall in.
On your 6. You're standing in my position, sir. Sir, you're in my spot. You're standing in my position, sir.
Get down!
Tell me this will be over soon.
Make her secure.
Copy that. Don't worry, we've got it under control.
I don't believe this.
TOC, this is entry team. Civilian is ready for evac.
Fall in and prepare to move.
Trailer standing by.
In position.
Put your hands up and get down! This
Civilian
is
ready for arrest.
unbelievable. Zip him up.
Got it. What's your problem?
On the ground, now! Hey, you why are you
Got
like a criminal?
Civilian ready for transport.
Roger that. Trailer standing by.
Regroup and follow me.
Copy. On our way.
We're with you.
Sierra 1 reporting. Suspect spotted. Side 1, level 2, in the living room. Sierra 1 reporting. Unknown has moved off. I've lost sight of him.
Hands up!
Contact
Jeez,
has complied.
don't shoot. What the hell?
What, you ran out
Entry team to talk. Civilian is okay. Ready for evac.
Copy. We'll be ready for them.
Let's play it safe. Use the wand.
Check. On it.
Need to get into position. No suspects visible. Nothing to worry about.
Get her open and clear it.
Hollywood is on it.
Time to move. Go! Trailers! All clear.
I'm clear.
Area clear.
Gerard, clear.
Stay with me. I'm on point.
Behind you.
Cops! Drop your weapons! Hijo de la chingada! Get down! Hands in the air!
Suspect
Police,
contact.
drop your weapons!
Suspect kill.
Talk. This is entry team to talk. There's a down suspect here.
That's our gun.
Talk. This is entry team. Evidence secured.
Roger
This
that.
is
Good
Sierra
job.
1. Entry team spotted.
Nice. This new must be a
Police,
real tough
on
guy.
your knees! Put your hands up and get down!
I was just looking for dinner, man. Huh?
Make him secure.
On it.
Talk. This is Sierra 1. Element has moved out of visual contact.
Good
Be
work.
ready to
Head
move.
back to HQ when you're ready.
Rejoining you.
In position.
Good work, guys. Let's head to debrief.